Everyone, Jody from Bird Off Road Adventures here. Today we're going to show you our beautiful new Anderson Composites hood. You guys want to check this out. This thing is awesome. Stay tuned. Alright folks, we're up early on a Friday morning, about ready to hit the road. Got Miley over here in the passenger seat, so about 5.5 hours each way of a drive. Hold our friends over at Anderson Composites. Going to pick up a special package from them. Ready for a road trip, girl? We about to go. Road trip. Woohoo! Alright, we got our hood, got it loaded, got it checked out. Now back to Arizona. On our way back home to Phoenix, about a 5.5 hour drive. Woo. Boy, this Los Angeles traffic sucks. Thank God I don't live here. I don't see how you guys do it. Anyway, so can't wait to get this put on, man. This is going to look super sweet. I was kind of nervous about how the carbon fiber would match up with the Cactus Gray. I played with ChatGPT last night just to kind of get an idea. I think it'll be okay. You know, worst case scenario, if I don't like it, I can always put a wrap over the non-vented Raptor looking piece. So, you know, like they did for their 2022 Steamobile. So you could always do that as well. So we got everything loaded back into U-Haul on our way back home, and hopefully get this thing put on tomorrow. So hang tight. Okay, we got everything unboxed. So we got this thing upside down. I did take the factory heat insulation off so I could cut our insulation as close as I could to match it. I'll probably have to still trim it a little bit more. So we're going to wipe this piece off here and then use some rollers that we use for our kill mat to kind of make sure it's pressed in real good. Got my knee pads ready, and I got my cheerleaders here, Dawn and Tat. Some friends of mine are going to help me mount this thing, so stay tuned. All right, well, you'll notice here we're going to clean out this hood here, the underside of it, because we're going to put down this heat barrier. Anderson Composites is very adamant about having the heat barrier on there. It's to protect the carbon fiber from the excessive engine heat. So we bought this sheet here. Now, they sell this sheet at Anderson Composites, but I had it overnighted through Amazon just so I can make sure I had it in time. It's pretty easy to put on. We just used some rollers like we did on our kill mat and to help press it down, and it stuck pretty good. You know, we put the stock heat barrier over it to trace it, but we still had to trim or some around the edges to get like a smooth look to it. So you'll see here, my friends helped me out. We got it on pretty quick, then we got the hood on. Something to note here, these bolts hold this latch thing on. They aren't deep enough to go over the new bolts. Now, Anderson Composites, it does come with nuts and washers and lock washer, so you'll have to use those to put that back on.
See? Look at you.
No, because
I know what I'm doing.
A little side-by-side comparison of old versus new. Tat, watch that side, and I'll watch this one.
That's fine. It's just these edges. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, this is straight. The gap's good right here. Gap's nice right here.
A little bit more of a gap over there. Look at
Do you?
Okay.
Yeah.
A tad bit more of a gap. So
Yeah, you definitely have more of a gap.
we had to adjust it about 4 times to finally get it to fit good once we put the new one on, but other than that, it went pretty quick.
Because I got a big gap. So we gotta like halfway that. That's clean.
Yeah, like we pull forward anymore.
So, and then if you're gonna put the rubber afterward, if you fit after, it'll be a little bit more. Anyway, you know, I want to.
It comes a little bit tricky here. You just want to make sure you get these decently tight, good and tight. You don't want to really try to torque it too hard. You don't want to rip anything out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on pretty tight there.
Yeah, I got it pretty tight. Yeah.
Using the calibrated elbow.
Yeah. Exactly.
Still got to get. So this might make some of you guys cringe here. We're going to do a little tiny drill. And there's a little divots along the edge. So we elected to buy a brand new rubber seal piece. I'll put the part number and a link down below in the description if you all want to get one for your own. I know my buddy Tat here, he has a different hood from aftermarket and it has those too. So just be very careful. You don't want to put too much force into it. Some of the spots that are closer to the latch are a little bit thicker. So just have to be very careful, be patient, take your time. You should be able to do it without damaging the hood itself, you know, and just make sure that you don't go too far. Now, I did look at the factory hood for a reference on the size of the screw.
There you go.
There we go. Yeah, some of these are a little spaced out a little farther. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It's quite a journey. So the drive over to get it took a lot longer than anything else did. You can see here the heat barrier worked good. Now, Anderson Composites does give us these hood pins. We might have those put in later. I just don't feel comfortable doing that much drilling into a brand new hood. But definitely will consider doing that in the future, and I know they recommend it. As you can see here, this thing looks amazing. I cannot get over how good this thing looks, and pictures don't do it justice. You know, the sun reflects in it a lot, so we try to take some pictures out of the sunlight as well. But as you can see, great finish, great quality. These aren't going to be cheap. These are genuine carbon fiber. Anderson Composites is the supplier for Ford Performance and some other manufacturers, so you're getting what you pay for here. Now, having said that, we do have a discount code, BirdDog, on their website. You can get a discount on any item on the site except for the hardtops. So this and the fender deletes I have that are also carbon fiber from them, you can get those at a little bit of discount as well as fenders. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Please consider that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.